Show me the purple picture. East 167.
46 David, East 167, what's the next street? 46 David. 46 David. I have East 176th Street, what's the next street?
Heading northbound to 168.
168? Oh, where?
Sure.
168 Street in Sheridan. Can I have another unit to respond? 10-4, Rob Lop, 94.
They might be in the wrong frequency, the central.
4-4 Central.
10-4.
Other locations, Central.
East 168 in Sheridan. East 168 in Sheridan.
Eastbound 168.
Central is the 4-4 now.
10-4.
Southbound 168.
Final location, southbound on 167.
Where are you?
East 168 in Sherman.
East 168 in Sheridan.
6 sides of the 4-4 knows about this?
I just notified the 4-4.
Big photo going out.
Somebody unit? 10-4.
Central is the 4-2 now as well.
10-4.
Yellow black, red do-rag, blue jacket, blue pants.
Dude, where are you? Where are you right now?
Heading eastbound, East 167. College right now.
Over the 4-4.
10-5.
They're over the 4-4 division.
10-4, 4-4 notify.
Five description.
I have male black, red do-rag going eastbound 167.
It's 6 David. It's 6 David.
Where you at? Where you at?
On East 167 in College. East 167 in College.
Where are
Male
you?
black.
Sergeant, what unit?
4-6 Sergeant.
84 is that unit?
Do I have a unit 84 with 4-6 David at this time? 4-6 portable, you 884?
633. Midnight.
4-6.
Where are you guys? Where are you guys? This is 700.
4682, this is East 167.
Where are you?
They are?
6-7.
46 Eddie, that's East 167. What's the next street?
Clay.
East 167 in Clay. East 167 in Clay.
Everyone, show me inside the RP 4-4.
10-5.
46 David, show me inside it's 4-4 RP.
10-4.
red do-rag, white t-shirt.
46 Davy, is the male black wearing all blue, red do-rag?
It's wrong. Do you have a better location?
I have East 167 and Clay, East 167 and Clay.
What's the portable?
46 portable.
167.
10-4.
Good. Go from the station. 6 Sergeant.
46 Sergeant.
What's the location in the unit that puts over?
East 167 and Clay. East 167 and Clay.
He's still looking for this perp? Is he under? Do we have anything further on this?
46 David.
Four
10-5.
portable. He's with us in RP 3645. We're on 1669 in Whistler.
RMP 4649.
3645. He's with us in our RP.
Are we looking?
Quick, I'm right behind you.
Alright, where's his partner?
On our way.
6 Lieutenant.
46 Blue.
Broadcast to the 444846. No further over here.
10-4, no further than the East 167 and Clay, no further unit.
Okay, are there...
You 67 unit Sherman. Just have units do a canvas over there.
East 167 and Sherman.
Yeah, 167 in Sherman. Perps wanted for stabbing.
10-4.
People do a canvas over there. Have all the units go over there. Look for this male black with the all blue with the red do-rag, right?
10-4.